Pinwheel mania. So you can kind of watch this. I start with some just little dots and they all go in the same direction, and then I extend them, but they go in a different direction. And then I connect that very top to that very first kind of dot and then go backwards. So then you can put any tangles that you want to inside of these. This is betweed, which I have a tutorial for. And then in the other two little triangle spaces, all I did was aura them. And then I went around and did this whole thing. Then I took the ink and weighted some of the areas. A lot of this I go over more specifically in the Zoom classes because it's too time consuming to really go over in a live and in the videos. So I'm waiting, and then I decided to do this in color. People had been asking about color, and then I took a whole bunch of different colored charcoals, and this is how it turned out. Everybody have an amazing day.